cleans her skin and then begins to realize that there is something wrong. It took a wrinkle in time to reach her bottom line. It's not sure if she'll reach where she belongs. She's losing energy in her philosophy. They say they squeeze till she cannot make a sound. She goes where she knows she won't be found. He boards the plane and clears his brain. Letters and ledgers that measure him too short. Taken for granted and disenchanted, washing windows within the last resort. Some unforgotten sons who watch father's guns march his future 6 feet underground. He goes where he knows he won't be found. They feel their bodies breathing out, despite each other and begin to remember they're just embers burning softly till they're leaving on the flame. Nothing makes them the same. Gavin, everybody! They discuss the news and drink beers and tubes, dig their toes deeper into the sand. She says that life is just the sum of partial dreams. It's no wonder no one really understands. Fills the bottle, hits the throttle, chases where the sun is going down. They go where they know they won't be found. They feel their bodies breathing in, they touch each other again to remember they're just embers burning softly till they're leaving on the flame. And that's what makes me say, I do make people cry a lot, so it's okay. That's all right. That's actually well received.